Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. My name is Miss Ishrat. This is our 8th lecture and in this week we are starting our geometry. This is another branch of mathematics in which we deal about the shapes and figures. We are starting our first chapter of geometry, chapter number 11 of your book, that is plane shapes and solid shapes. So let's start. Before moving forward, let's learn about dimensions first. What are dimensions? Dimensions are used to describe the size and shape of an object. For example, length, breadth and height. Any object or surroundings or space can be one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Students, in this class we will learn till three dimensions. The first is given a point. A point has no dimensions. Students, points की कोई dimension नहीं होती. Means length, breadth और height. इसलिए हम इसे zero dimensions और in short 0D कहते हैं. Next is a line segment. Line segment की one dimension होती है. Means in line segment length is given. So it is called one dimensional or in short 1D. Now third one is a rectangle. It is a two-dimensional figure. Why it is a two-dimensional? Because it has two dimensions, that is length and breadth. In short, it is called a 2D shape. The fourth one is a cube. It is a three-dimensional figure. Why it is three-dimensional? Because it has three dimensions, length, breadth and height. In short, it is called a 3D shape. Students, let's start with our today's topic, that is plane shapes and solid shapes. Students, as you have learned about plane shapes in your previous classes in detail, so we will just have a review of 2D shapes in this class and we will learn in detail about 3D shapes. What are plane shapes and solid shapes? Plane shapes, the shapes which only have two measurements such as length and breadth are called two-dimensional, in short 2D or plane shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are flat, only exist in flat surfaces such as screens or paper. See, the picture given on your screens is of a square. It has length and breadth. It means it is two-dimensional or a plane shape. Let's have a look on some examples of plane shapes. The first one is square, then rectangle, then triangle and circle. These are some common examples of plane shapes. As we have learned in the previous slide that square has two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Rectangle also has two dimensions, length and breadth. Next one is triangle. It also has two dimensions, length and breadth. And the last one is circle. It also has two dimensions, length and breadth. That's why these all shapes are called 2D or plane shapes. I hope students you have understood clearly now about the plane shapes. Let's start learning about solid shapes. What are solid shapes? The shapes which have three measurements such as length, breadth and height or depth and occupy some space are called three-dimensional, in short 3D or solid shapes. Students, solid shapes three-dimensional होते हैं. It means उनके पास length, breadth और height होती है. ये shapes हमारी real life में exist करती हैं. Like here, as you see on your screen is a picture of a cube. It's a box shape. It has three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. That's why it is called 3D or a solid shape. Before moving forward, students, and learning more about 3D shapes, we have to first learn about the following terms, so it will be easy for us to understand more clearly. First one is face. A face is a flat surface. Here in the given picture, the arrow indicates the face of a cuboid. बेटा फेस शेप की फ्लैट सरफेस को कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज एज. एन एज इज वेयर टू फेसेस मीट. As the arrow indicates the edge in the picture. Students, two faces जिस लाइन पे मीट होते हैं उससे एज कहते हैं. And the last one is vertex or vertices. A vertex is a corner where edges meet. The plural is vertices. Students, जब टू फेसेस मीट कर रहे थे तो उस लाइन को हम एज कह रहे थे, लेकिन जब टू एजेस मीट होंगे उस पॉइंट, उस कॉर्नर को हम वर्टेक्स कहते हैं. और जब एक से ज़्यादा वर्टेक्स हों तो हम प्लूरली उसे वर्टिसेस कहते हैं. एज इन द गिवन पिक्चर द एरो इंडिकेट्स द वर्टेक्स. After understanding the terms, now it will be very easy for us students to learn about the different types of solid shapes. First one is cube. It is a three-dimensional solid shape. All of a cube's surfaces are the same and all of a cube's edges are the same length. A cube will not roll, it will slide. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. क्यूब थ्री डायमेंशनल सॉलिड शेप है. क्यूब की सरफेसेस, एजेस सब सेम लेंथ के होते हैं. और ये रोल क्यों नहीं करता स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज इसकी सरफेसेस कर्व्ड नहीं, फ्लैट होती हैं, इसलिए ये सिर्फ स्लाइड करता है. फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मोर क्लियरली लुक एट द गिवन पिक्चर about faces, edges and vertices. The cube has how many faces? Yes, 6. How many corners? Yes, 8. And how many edges? Yes, 12. Here are the some examples of cube: dice, cardboard box, ice cube, etc. Second one is cuboid. It is a three-dimensional solid shape. It is very similar to a cube, but the difference is that it is longer than it is wide, whereas every length of a cube is the same. A cuboid will also slide instead of rolling, as it does not have any curved surfaces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Students, cuboid थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप है. ये क्यूब से सिमिलर तो है, लेकिन डिफरेंस ये है कि उसकी सब साइड्स लेंथ में इक्वल होती हैं, जबकि क्यूबॉइड की नहीं, क्योंकि ये रेक्टेंगुलर शेप होता है और ये क्यूब की तरह रोल नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज क्यूबॉइड की भी सरफेस कर्व नहीं होती. Look at the given picture on your screens. The cuboid has how many faces? Yes, 6. How many vertices? Yes, 8. And how many edges? Yes, 12. Here are some examples of a cuboid. Matchbox, brick, fish tank, etc. Third one is a cylinder. It is a three-dimensional solid shape. A cylinder has a circle on its top surface and a circle on its base, while the side face is a curved surface. It has 3 faces, 2 edges and no vertex. Students, cylinder 3-dimensional solid shape है. सिलेंडर का टॉप और बेस सर्कल शेप में होता है जबकि साइड फेस कर्व्ड राउंड होता है. Look at the given picture of a cylinder. It has how many faces? Yes, 3. How many vertices? Yes, 0. And how many edges? Yes, 2. Here are some examples of a cylinder. Mug, battery cell, tin, etc. Fourth one is cone. It is a 3-dimensional solid shape. A cone has a circular base. A cone will roll because a cone has a curved surface. It has 2 faces, 1 round edge and 1 vertex. Students, cone 3-dimensional solid shape है और इसकी बेस सर्कुलर मीन्स राउंड शेप में होती है, तभी ये स्लाइड नहीं बल्कि रोल करती है. Now look at the given picture. In this picture, a cone has how many faces? Yes, 2. How many vertices? Yes, 1. And how many edges? Yes, 1 round edge. Here are some examples of a cone. Ice cream, party hat, traffic cone, etc. Fifth one is a sphere. It is a 3-dimensional solid shape. A sphere is a ball shape. A sphere has 1 complete round face and will roll when pushed in any direction. Students, sphere 3-dimensional solid shape है. स्फीयर एक बॉल शेप है लेकिन सर्कल नहीं. सर्कल में 2 डायमेंशंस होती हैं, मीन्स उसकी हाइट नहीं होती, इसलिए सर्कल और स्फीयर आर 2 डिफरेंट शेप्स. नाउ लुक एट द गिवन पिक्चर. इन दिस पिक्चर अ स्फीयर हैज हाउ मेनी फेसेस? Yes, 1 round face. How many vertices? Yes, there is no vertices. And how many edges? Yes, there is no edge also. Here are some examples of a sphere. Earth, football, orange, etc. Sixth and the last one is pyramid. It is a 3-dimensional solid shape. A pyramid has rectangular base. However, it can have other shaped bases too, such as a triangle or a square. It has flat surfaces. The number of faces depends on the number of sides of polygonal base. Students, pyramid 3-dimensional solid shape है. पिरामिड के फेसेस उसकी बेस पे डिपेंड करते हैं। अगर उसकी बेस ट्रायंगल है इट्स मीन उसके 4 फेसेस होंगे, अगर स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल तो 5 फेसेस। द वर्ड पॉलीगोनल मीन्स प्लेन शेप्स जो कर्व्ड ना हो। स्ट्रेट लाइंस वाली शेप्स को पॉलीगोनल कहते हैं, लाइक ट्रायंगल, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, etc. Now look at the given picture. In this picture, the base of pyramid is of rectangular shape. So how many faces it has? Yes, 5. 4 triangular, 1 rectangular face. How many vertices? Yes, 5. And how many edges? Yes, 8. Here are the some examples of a pyramid. Egyptian pyramid, chocolate box, tent, etc. Let's do an activity to learn more about the solid shapes. From cuboidal, cubical, spherical, oval, conical, cylindrical, what shape of the following is? Students, हमने तो क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, कोन, सिलेंडर शेप समझे थे। ये कौन सी शेप्स हैं? Let's find out. Here 2 pictures are given. One is of a Rubik's cube and the second one is of an egg. The first picture look like a cube. So students, हम इसे कौन सी शेप कहेंगे? Spherical? No. Cylindrical? No. Conical? No. Oval? No. Cuboidal? No. Cubical? Yes, it's a cubical shape. So our answer is cubical. Second one is an oval shape. So students, it's a very easy one to find out oval shape objects. Oval shape ही कहलाते हैं. So our answer is oval. It's assignment time. Home assignment number 8. Define the following terms with examples and diagrams. Number 1, plane shapes. Number 2, solid shapes. Number 3, cube. Number 4, cuboid. Number 5, cylinder. Number 6, cone. Number 7, sphere. Number 8, pyramid. Students, you have to write all these 8 definitions in your geometry copy. Exercise 11.1 parts you have to do is 1 till 10 in your book and the page number is 136. The question is given from 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions or no dimension, write one which suit each of the following. For example, number 1, a circle has dash. Now students, recall how many dimensions a circle have? 0 dimensions? No. 1 dimension? No. 3 dimensions? No. Or 2 dimensions? Yes, a circle has 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Same like this, you have to do all the 10 blanks in your book. Exercise 11.1 parts you have to do be 1 till 6 in book and the page number is 136 and 137. Question is given, identify and write solid or plane in the respective box of each shape. For example, the given shape is of a rectangle. Now students, recall how many dimensions a rectangle have? Yes, 2 dimensions, but यहाँ पे students हमें dimensions नहीं लिखनी. Question में हमसे पूछा है कि given shape solid है या plane. तो 2 dimensional shape students solid होती है या plane? Yes, it's a 2 dimensional plane shape. So our answer is plane. Exercise 11.1 parts you have to do. See 1 till 9 in your book. Page number is 137. Question is given from cuboidal, cubical, spherical, oval, conical, cylindrical. What shape of the following is? For example, student, here the picture of a ball is given. Now recall what the shape of a ball is. Is it cubical? No. Cuboidal? No. Conical? No. Cylindrical? No. Oval? No. Spherical? Yes, it's a spherical shape. So our answer is spherical. It's a review time. We have learned today about dimensions 0, 1, 2 and 3 dimensions, plane shapes and solid shapes, face, edge and vertex or vertices, types of solid shapes in detail, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and pyramid.